Ew, these shorts look stupid on me. Let me see. Actually, those shorts look nice. Who's she talking to? Not us. We're nobodies, remember? Oh, yeah. You guys, I didn't mean it.
Well, I just don't understand.
What's to understand?
Why you would ever want to quit soccer. You love soccer.
I just do, okay?
Is this about the lucky socks mistake?
No. But how could you pack my leprechaun socks? Those are for St. Patrick's Day.
I didn't know you had two different pairs.
Whatever. It doesn't matter anyway.
Oh, honey, I think if you just stick with soccer, you'll be...
Fine, Mom. I'll try it one more time.
Now I understand, KB. I know just how you feel.